Welcome to the EarlyON. We offer programs for children 0 to 6 in Brantford and Brant County. Hello everybody, my name is Maria, and today we're going to be doing a cooking activity that you could do with kids, and also something for picky eaters. Maybe your kids don't like to eat breakfast or whatever. This is a really simple, easy recipe that the kids could help you make, and also I think they'd like to enjoy eating them. So we're going to start out with pancake mix. This one you just add water to, so I'm just going to add it to my water that's already in the bowl. So you can get any pancake mix that you have and just mix it according to the directions on the package. Okay, so we're going to mix that around. A little bit more. This you could have the kids pour the pancake mix in, pour the water, and then stir it around. Pretty easy. So the concept behind this is that these are pancakes, but they're made into muffins. So that way they're easy to grab and go in the morning when the kids are late for school, or you have an appointment or something. So they're easy grab and go breakfast. And something they like, because what kid doesn't like pancakes? Okay, so I've got my pancake mix already mixed up. I'm going to pour it into my pre-lined muffin pan, and I'm going to fill it to about 3/4 full. Now this could be a little bit thicker too if you want it a little bit thicker, but I think this is probably good just the way it is. And when you're cooking with kids, I mean, this is all pretty easy. The mixing, the stirring, adding this to the cup. The kids could do that. It's a really good idea to start cooking with kids early in life because A, you're teaching them to cook, you're teaching them about measurements, and it's a skill that they'll need for the rest of their life, so why not teach them to cook when they're young? I taught my son to cook when he was young, and today he still enjoys cooking, and he's experiments and tries all kinds of different recipes. So, okay, so I've got that filled up. So for the add-ins, you can leave it plain if you just want plain pancake muffins to grab and go, or you can add some fun things to it. So I've got some frozen fruit here. I've got some raspberries. I'm going to add some raspberries to some of them. And the toppings that you add are anything that you guys like, anything that the kids like. Maybe they like nuts. You could add peanut butter. I didn't think to get out peanut butter, but you could add peanut butter to it. Nuts if there aren't any allergies. Chocolate chips like I have here. Put that in. I've got sprinkles to put in some of them. And all this stuff the kids could do because there's really nothing that they can hurt themselves on because it's all cold, it's not hot. So I've got sprinkles in 2 of them. And then in the last one, I'm gonna put some maple syrup. So put some maple syrup in. You could even stir the maple syrup right into the muffin if you like, or you can leave it sitting on top. And you could actually put syrup on all of them really if you wanted to, or some of them. So I have some here, so I'm just gonna add it to the rest of the muffin cups that I have here. So after you have your cups filled, the next stage is going to be, I forgot to tell you, but the recipe will be in this video. So you're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees before you start filling these cups, before you start making the pancake muffins. Okay, so I've got those all filled. So you put it into a preheated 400 degree oven and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. Or if you stick a toothpick in it or a knife in it and it comes out dry, then you know that the muffin is done. So I've already made some, because I wanted to show you what they look like when they're done. So these ones are fruit and these are sprinkles. So it's an easy grab and go recipe that the kids can enjoy as a snack in their lunch at school, or a snack at home, or grab and go breakfast anytime. So thank you for joining us today for our EarlyON activity.